Hey, what's up guys? My name is Vic Christoph with PhoneArena, and today we're testing the video recording capabilities of this little Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact. This is one of the first phones along with the XZ2 to record 4K video in HDR, 4K HDR video as well as 1080p HDR, and right now we're testing the 4K HDR video option. So let's move around a little bit and see how the phone adjusts to different lighting conditions. Now with HDR you can see that if you have a high dynamic scene like this one here, the sky is bright and here we have shadows. The HDR video recording should really bring some improvements to that, so we'll see how this works. And now I will step out of the frame to also test the continuous autofocus functionality. So let's see how fast the phone is able to refocus on my hand and back on the background. So we'll do this a couple more times. My hand, the background, my hand, the background, and last but not least, let's see if we can zoom in all the way on my face. As you can see, we have some side noise, so you'll be able to see and hear how well the phone actually filters it out. So zooming all the way in and all the way back out. And this is it guys, a quick test of the camera of the XZ2 Compact. This is Vic Christoph with PhoneArena signing off. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, it's me again, and now we will test the 4K video recording capabilities on the XZ2 Compact with HDR turned off. So we have just recorded an HDR video and now we'll show you a non-HDR video so you can be able to tell the difference. What do you think?